People who are getting filthy rich right now are no longer the programmers, the coaches, the creators, or the salespeople. The new wave of millionaires are the AI power users. I'm about to show you 11 AI tools that any beginner can use to either improve their everyday life, start a business, or start making money online. These tools are very easy to use and all of them are free. We jump at our first tool, which is actually a pack of tools. This comes from Google Labs. For example, we have little language lessons, and you can click try out. Use this tool to understand different languages, for example, Spanish or Portuguese, and then distribute your online content or websites to different demographics. There's another tool called the AI mode, and this is a tool that turns your Google browser into an AI machine. So anytime you search something in Google with this mode, it's going to give you context from the AI. Should I create an affiliate marketing business or should I create a CPA marketing business? Which one would be more profitable? And now it's searching the web. And there we go. It gives me context from the AI in the middle, and then the websites I want to see are right here. I can click each of these websites and just go like a regular Google. Right. Google AI Labs is basically business in a box. You have different tools. Go and experiment and play around with them. You have Sparkify. This allows you to create short form content if you want to grow a social media account. All of these tools that allow you to create marketing campaigns, short form content, images, design, and even code websites and apps. And if you want me to make a dedicated video for each one of these tools, just let me know in the comments. Coming up next, one of the tools that I usually use on a daily basis, NotebookLM, and I mainly use it for transcribing and describing long podcasts. So here's a business podcast. It's 1 hour long. I don't want to waste time listening to that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab the links, pasting the link right here. Notebook will give me the most important information without the fluff, without the fillers. Here I can start asking questions. What are the main important aspects like this? I mean, this is very broad, but I can start asking specific questions. Do these people talk about digital marketing? Do they talk about copywriting? And then you can follow up with more questions. For example, I can say, are these people on the podcast talk about leadership? If so, tell me what specific they said about the leadership so I can improve my own leadership skills. Jumping on to the next tool, Gemini Gems. You can only access it by going to gemini.google.com/gems. This is a special place within Gemini where you create your own an autonomous mini expert for specific tasks. We're going to create a new gem, email copywriting expert. I can use this gem to either write emails for customers, create email sequences and newsletters for customers, or I can use it for my digital products. For the description, specialist in writing high converting sales emails to get clicks. Here is what is important, the instructions. This is what gives Gemini context. Here are my instructions. You are a world-class direct response email copywriter. Your goal is to write short, punchy, and persuasive emails. And I have a rule here. Never use, I hope this email finds you well. This is so cringy. By the way, if you want these instructions, let me know in the comments below. I will send you a list of all the tools that I'm using and all the prompts that I'm using. The last field, which is the knowledge base, I can literally attach files with templates. I already have this, the email copywriting 101 PDF file or ebook, and it's a full guide on how to write persuasive and high converting emails. We're going to import it right here in the knowledge base. And there we have it. So now I'm just gonna click save this gem. Voila. And to test my email copywriting expert, I'm simply going to prompt it with this sentence. I'm selling a $10 summer workout guide PDF. Write a short email to my list announcing the launch. And there we have it. You can use gems for designing, copywriting, product creation, course outlines, coaching, etc. Jumping on to the next tool, our old friend ChatGPT. Poor people use ChatGPT to ask political questions or questions about the weather or vacations. But smart people use GPTs. These are the plugins inside ChatGPT that make you an AI power user. Let's say you are a sales manager. So I can type sales, and so you have all of these apps to make you a better copywriter, or to improve your copy so it's more profitable and it converts more people into customers. I can click sales coach, help me reach more clients, help me with a sales email, help me prepare sales materials, help me convert potential clients. So you no longer have to come up with your own ideas. You can just follow the instructions from the AI plugin. Coming up next on our list is ElevenLabs. I see people making a ton of money using ElevenLabs to create voiceovers and sell voiceover services. They also start YouTube automation channels without showing their face. And also they create create audiobooks because ElevenLabs is all about audio and voice narration. So I see a lot of people actually narrate books and then just sell the audio. I also use ElevenLabs for affiliate marketing and for some of my digital products. You can even clone your own voice. I'm going to show you. Here's my voice, so let's click it. A library is a garden where stories bloom. This was purely from the AI too. So I cloned my voice and now I can create videos or shorts with my own voice, which I don't like doing. I like to do the videos myself, but I see a lot of creators clone their voice, and whenever they're traveling and they cannot create videos, they just use the AI voice for like short form content. Next on the list is Claude AI, but not the online app for your browser. We're talking about the desktop app right here. You download Claude on your own computer and it becomes your employee, because on your computer you have these two settings, co-work and code. Now don't freak out, you don't have to code anything. The actual AI app does that for you. It becomes your programmer, but the co-work is actually more impressive because it becomes your employee for everything, your bookkeeper, your designer, copywriter, etc. So here what I said, hey Claude, I want you to be my marketing expert with 10 years of experience, and I want you to conduct a market research in the Facebook ads library. I'm promoting my school community called Profit Avengers, yada, yada, yada. So I actually gave Claude all the details it needed to conduct a market research, find my competitors, find what my competitors sell, how they sell their products, so I can improve my own products. And it did all of that on its own in the browser. It actually opened Google Chrome, as you can see, and it started taking screenshots, started researching the Facebook ads library with my competitors' ads, conducted an in-depth market research, and then it gave me a verdict on how I can improve my own ads campaigns, which is nuts. You can sell this as a service to business owners, to coaches. Claude also did my accounting the other day. It became my bookkeeper. I told it, hey, here's my bank statements, please create a yearly bookkeeping report. And it did it on its own. We're coming to the next two, which is Zapier and Lovable. These two, you can use them together. So Zapier is an automation tool. You can automate an entire business here. You have AI agents, AI chatbots. Let's say a lead or a customer comes on your website, it signs up for a web form. Then you can automate the entire process with Zapier. What is going to happen with the lead? What kind of lead this is? For example, I can connect Google Sheets or Slack to my Stripe or Calendly, or even if you're using Trello. In short, Zapier allows you to connect apps that are different in kind. So apps now can start talking to each other and you can create an ecosystem. You want to sell services to businesses. You want to automate other people's businesses and you want to sell it as a service. Let's say you charge them, I don't know, $200 or $1,000 for an automation. That's fine. You can use Google AI to learn how to do the automation, or you can go to Lovable, and in Lovable you don't even have to have technical skills. You can just prompt Lovable with specific tasks. For example, hey Lovable, I have a client and I need to automate their website. They have an opt-in form with which they collect leads. So I need a way to filter who is a customer, who is a warm lead and who is a cold lead, and store them in a Google Sheet. And because Lovable is an autonomous agent, it's going to ask me some follow-up questions to clarify what the task actually is. So you don't have to think of these questions yourself. Lovable is going to do that for you. So is that a manual selection, admin assign later, or automatic rules? You can play around with it and you can create an automation in under like 10 minutes. Coming up with next tool is Promotopics.com. That's my tool, by the way. I've created this AI tool to do a various of tasks. This tool is created purely for people who want to create a digital business, but they don't know what to start. They don't know what niche or topic to pick. They don't know what product to create. So this tool gives you everything. So you find your niche, and the tool actually walks you through how to create your niche, how to create a product step by step. But that's not all. The part that I use the most with Promotopics is the AI workflow. I can drag a gadget or widget from the left side, let's say website, put it right here, then go to any website. Let's say I go to ElevenLabs. I'm going to highlight the website, go back to Promotopics, paste the website right here so we can rasterize it. Then I'm going to click Add AI Chat. And here I'm going to connect both of these widgets, and in the AI chat I'm going to simply ask, hey, can you tell me what the website is all about? There we go. Simple as that. I'm going to hit enter, and it immediately is going to start reading the website and give me all the details about what it is, how it works, and then I can start asking follow-up questions about the website. What they're selling, what is their selling proposition, what are their products, how can I outperform them, how can I improve myself, or how can I improve this website or create a better one, etc., etc. You can do this with PDFs, with niches once you discover them. The cool part is that you can find a competitor with digital product, paste it in Promotopics, and tell Promotopics, hey, improve this product and create my own product based on the competitor's products. Next tool on our list, Manus AI. This is a tool from Facebook. I created 2 separate videos about this tool because it's so powerful. It's an actual business in a box. You can ask the tool to create you a complete step-by-step plan for media buying, for, let's say, marketing on Facebook or Meta. It created me the images. It created me a table and a file with the whole content that I need to paste in Facebook, with like angles, hooks, word count, etc. And it also gave me some directions on how can I start, what kind of campaigns should I create, etc., etc. And on top of that, I have hooked my Meta Ads Manager. Now, as a beginner, how you can use it? You can literally ask the tool, hey Manus, I'm a beginner when it comes to AI tools. How can I use you to make money online or to start an online business? The tool can create slides, build websites, and actually can create apps, design stuff, and create our audio, video, spreadsheets, a lot of stuff. But yeah, you hit enter here and the tool is going to describe how to use it. Now, I have Manus on my phone and I have hooked up Manus to my Telegram chat app. So content creation, faceless services, e-commerce and dropshipping, affiliate marketing, productivity, and automation. And if you want to watch the videos that I posted the other days about Manus, I'm going to link them down in the description below. By the way, the next thing you can do here, this is YouTube. And on YouTube, there are a lot of audiobooks. So what you can create and what you can do, you can either ask Manus to create an audio file based on any ebook or book, or you can go to ElevenLabs and create an ebook or audiobook from an actual book. And then I see people here upload the audio format to YouTube and they're gaining millions of views. And they're making money because YouTube pays you money when you have views. Which comes us to our next tool, which is Rask AI, translation tool or dubbing tool. Once you create an audio file, you can actually transcribe it and translate it to multiple different languages. And then the audiobook with 2 million views, it's not only in English, but then it's Spanish, in Portuguese, in Chinese, or Mandarin, Japanese, whatever it might be, so you can gain even more and more views and make even more money. You can translate businesses SOPs, you can translate businesses meetings or Zoom calls. That's what I see a lot of people are doing. In Germany, there are a lot of coaches. In Portugal, in Spain, like all around the world, there are coaches and they do coaching calls, but they want to go to different markets. For example, the German coaches want to go to the English market. And I see people getting their Zoom calls, because they do live Zoom calls with their students, dubbing and transcribed in different languages, and then they distribute them to other students from other nationalities. Next tool on our list is Magic Patterns. This is very cool tool. It's for designing whatever you can think of without being a designer. It can match your design that you currently have. If you have a website, so let's say I have my website like that, black and white kind of style or design, I can copy this website, go back to Magic Patterns, and I can say, hey Magic Patterns, could you please create banners and social posts for my social media, but also use the design patterns that I have on my website, rosminchev.com. And check it out. It created a Facebook cover, it created an Instagram post, Instagram story, Twitter header, Ros Minchev, LinkedIn banner, and YouTube banner. It looks pretty good, and then you can export them, right? Of course, you can play around with the tool. Final tool on our list is CapCut. And I've been using CapCut for video editing. You see, like, you can use these templates to create short form videos and upload them to TikTok, to Instagram, to YouTube Shorts. All right, but then you also have the AI design here. By the way, I'm using the desktop app. You can create banners, posts, and they look very, very stunning, by the way. So if you're a freelancer or you work for an agency or you're looking to create your own stuff, like own design and sell them on Gumroad or sell them on Etsy. For example, I can click change the overall style of this to like looking more modern and minimalistic. It looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Now, actually, the new one looks not so messy. The old one looks messy. This one looks in order. Anyways, you can play around with the CapCut too in any direction, as you can see. So there you have it. All these tools can help you be more productive, create better outcomes, and actually make money if you work for a company or if you work as a freelancer, or even you can start your own business. If you like the information in this video so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more interactive videos like this one, and I'll see you in my next one.